Hello students, come back to problems part of binary operations. So in last class on your last video only we solved so many problems of this kind, like whether we are checking whether it is commutative or not or associative or not. So we'll continue because this part is very important. Okay, you may get one question from this section for 3 marks and very easy to score. So we'll continue the same work, that is by checking whether it is commutative or not, associative or not. First, okay, question binary operation is A star B is equal to A by B plus 1. So first we are going to check whether it is commutative or not. Okay, so A star B is equal to A by B plus 1. A star B is equal to A by B plus 1. So what is B star A? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ B ಬರೆಯೋದು, B ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ A ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now check whether from these two, okay, from these two whether they are equal or not. Can it be equal? No, because see if you take some A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, check no, 2 by 3 plus 1, idu 2 by 3 plus 1 agate, idu 3 by 2 plus 1, whether they are equal? Definitely no. So from 1 and 2 ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಹೇಳಿ, from 1 and 2 A star B is not equal to B star A. Right now, therefore star is not commutative. Therefore star is not commutative. Artha aitalva, first part simple agide. Okay, next you are going to check whether it is associative or not. Okay, you are going to check whether it is associative or not. So first you know A star B star C idan check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, A star B star C ಏನು B by C plus 1, correcta? Now take this as a Z, direct substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but if you find difficult, not an issue, take it as Z. Now it is A star Z, A star Z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A by Z plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, correcta? A by Z plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now what is Z? This is A by Z ಏನು B by C plus 1 plus 1. ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A into C plus 1 divided by B plus C plus 1, let it be 1. ಅದೇ ತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು A star B star C, that is A by B plus 1 star C. You can learn to substitute directly, not an issue. So direct substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A ಬದಲು ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, full this is A, okay, by B plus 1 is A divided by ಏನು B plus 1, B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು C plus 1. So ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, A by B plus 1 into C plus 1. Yeah, when you observe these two, anyone can tell that, you know, from 1 and 2, what is the conclusion? From 1 and 2, whether they are equal, A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. So if they are not equal, what is the conclusion? Star is not associative, alva? For star is not associative, correct? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು, ನಾಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. Okay, you should get A star B star C and A star B star C in that pattern only. Maybe conclusion is right but expression is wrong, no marks. So please remember that. Okay, so next work, similar work as I told in the beginning, we will continue same work, okay, in this video to learn, okay, how to check whether it's commutative or not, associative or not. So let me take one more problem. Here A star B, you know, A plus AB. So first you have to check whether it is commutative or not. Okay, A star B ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Next B star A, you know, what we should do, replace A by B, okay, B by A. Now from these two, tell me whether they are equal or not. You can take some example, 2 3, A is equal to 2, B equal to 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು 3 plus 6 and 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So they are not equal. So A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, you know, conclusion, star is not commutative. Therefore star is not commutative. Correcta? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? Now the next task is to prove whether it is associative or not. Okay, we have to check whether it is associative or not. So you know the combination, take in the same pattern. Okay, A star. What is B star C? ಇಲ್ಲಿ A star B ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? A plus B. So what is B star C? B star C, C, B ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ B and instead of B you have to put C. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B plus BC. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? A star B plus BC. Now directly you can substitute, better to learn that also not. Okay, see now again A star B. Okay, instead of A only. Correcta? Plus instead of A again A. Next B and you know this whole thing, B plus AC. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ A plus AB plus A square C. Let it be 1. Correcta? Okay, now you have to check the another one. What is another one? A star B star C you have to check. Okay, you have to find out this. Now what is A star B? Yeah, A plus AB. Correcta? Star C. Iಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ, now this is A, this is B. Apply again same thing. A plus AB. Instead of A, this is whole thing is A. Plus A plus AB into C. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? A plus BC. So simplify. A plus AB plus AC plus ABC. Check ಮಾಡಿ 1 and 2 ಅನ್ನ. ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 terms. Here you have only 3 terms, so no doubt at all. You know they are not equal, right? So from 1 and 2, you know, A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Therefore star is not associative. For star is not associative. Clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ? ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್. ಹಾ, so we'll continue the same procedure. We are going to check again whether it is commutative or not, associative or not. The first work is commutative property. We have to check whether it is commutative or not. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. A star B ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೀರಿ, A minus B whole square. If this is A star B, then what is B star A? B star A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B minus A whole square. Can this be equal? Ha, see, I can write this as a minus of A minus B whole square. Correcta? Minus or minus of A minus B whole square. But whether this minus sign will come out? No. So both are one and the same. So what is the conclusion we can write? Tell me. Ha, A star B is equal to B star A. So therefore, you know, star is commutative. Therefore star is commutative. Correcta? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಸ್ commutative. The next question. Okay, see, I am leaving this part as homework. Okay, we already solved so many problems, so I am leaving this part for homework. You have to check whether it is associative or not. Okay, you have to check whether this operation satisfies associative property or not. So remember, this part is homework for you. You practice yourself. Okay. The next question. A star B, okay, A star B equal to A square plus B square. A star B, okay, equal to A square plus B square, and you have to check whether it is commutative or not. Is it commutative? Because so many problems we solved, so you must be able to decide this. Is it commutative? B star A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B square plus A square. Yes, so obvious, anyone can tell that from here onwards, that is A star B is equal to B star A. So star is, you know, yes, commutative. Star is commutative. So only one simple part is left to check whether we have to check whether it is associative or not. Okay, so you can check like this. What is the part? You know, A star B star C alva. This part I will take. Confusion ಇಲ್ಲ, but I will take this part. Okay, that is A star. What is B star C? B star C ಅಂದ್ರೆ B square plus C square. B star ಅಂದ್ರೆ B square plus C square. Again apply same thing. A star B star C is equal to A square plus B square. Why I am taking this? Because you will forget this square. A square plus B square plus C square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, then at the end you will get the conclusion that they are associative, but not okay, they are associative. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, just let it be as it is. Next, a star b star c. Okay, we have to verify this. Now what is a star b? According to this, it is a square plus b square star c. Again apply the same thing, a square and then a square plus b square whole square plus c square. Now can these two be equal? Definitely no. Only one a square and c square there. So definitely you can tell that from 1 and 2 star is not associative because they are not equal, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳೋದು? So I hope you understood this work. So just check, okay, this part. Yeah, you if you have any doubt here, you take some example, take some values for ABC, you will come to know. But exam point of view adana baribekantilla, you can directly write star is not commutative. Okay, next, last question for this video and last question for this part, that is commutative and associative property. See, now a star b is equal to ab by 4. First check whether it is commutative or not. Commutative or not. Here check ಮಾಡೋದು easy ಇದೆ. A star b equal to ab by 4. So what is b star a? It is ba by 4. Now can we write this as ab by 4? Obvious. So it is a star b. So very easily you can check whether it is, okay, commutative. Now what is the conclusion now? Yeah, star is commutative. Therefore star is commutative. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳೋದು? We proved very easily that it is commutative. Now the next is important, the associative property. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದು ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಲಿಸನ್ ನೌ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. a star b star c, ಹಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? a star, what is b star c? bc by 4, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? b star c is bc by 4. Fine. Now this is a, this whole thing is b. So again you are going to use this property, ab by 4. a andre a only. What is b? bc by 4. By 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 4 ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. You may get the right conclusion, but if you cancel this 4 and 4, whole thing is wrong. So it will not cancel because it will come down. So what is the answer? abc by 16. 4 into 4, 16. So let it be 1. So there are next one, you know, a star b star c, that is ab by 4 star c. Now instead of a we have ab by 4, instead of b we have c divided by 4. Again the 4 and 4 does not cancel, it will come down, so it become abc by 16. Now what is the conclusion? What you can say from 1 and 2? Yes, from 1 and 2, in conclusion, star is associative because they are equal. 1 and 2 are equals, therefore star is associative. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? So we completed one very important exercise problem, okay, where we did checking whether the binary operation is commutative or not, associative or not. Understood? Very important. So next class we have few more problems, okay, of the same kind and some extra different work. So we will continue that in the next video. Thank you.